Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Dale in California on the Stryker SR-447HPC2. Dale, we got it ready to go for you, bud, our tune alignment. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. Got you set up about, 3 watts all the way down. Plenty low for this high swinging radio. And let me turn the top back down here, Dale. Our power all the way up, 15. Show you average power swing. 45 watts. Bird average. 100 watts in PEP. Hello. 97 peak. Alright, Dale. This beautiful radio is ready to come to you. I know I sound like a broken record, but I love these radios. And all the radios I sell, there's 4 or 5 radios that I don't have any comebacks. 447s, the Stryker 655 and 955, the 497s, and the Antitone 6666. Just absolutely no returns, no loose connectors, nothing. I guess my next favorite would be all your 2950 series. 50s, 70 N3s, N4s, 2995 DXs, and so forth. But Stryker really takes care of their customers. Anytime you have an issue, like at one point they were putting rivets in the voltage regulator on these. I called Sean at Stryker, talked to him, said he'd take care of it. Boom, immediately took care of it, done. You won't find that with many other manufacturers. Alright, that's enough of me rambling on there, Dale. I think you're really going to enjoy this radio. We appreciate it. From www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.